In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Tumblr, because nowadays everyone's stuck with Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to run their ads and start making, start marketing their product. But then Tumblr is one kept secret where you could start getting free traffic, and also you could start creating backlinks so you could start ranking on the top pages of Google. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to show you how you could make money with Tumblr. So let's go. So guys, I'm gonna explain you how to make money with Tumblr in 3 steps. But before that guys, I need to remind you that to rank number 1 on Google, you require 2 things. The 2 things are have the words that you want to rank for on your website, and the second one is other high authority sites linking to your website. If you remember that, I teach this in all my videos. So now I'm going to show you how to make money with Tumblr, and it's very easy in 3 steps. So the first one is you need to sign up with Tumblr. So to do that, all you have to do is just type Tumblr on Google and then just sign up. So once you click over here, you just need to create your login ID and email. Once you're done with that, now we'll go to the second step. So once you log into your Tumblr, this is how Tumblr would look. So now the second step is enter your keyword over here. So let's say for me, my keyword is bonsai tree. So you need to search over here, and then as you could see over here, these are the popular posts on bonsai tree. Okay, so all you have to do is you need to follow people who like in your niche. 579 notes means these are the people who like this images and they reshared it. So if I just click over here, so as you could see over here, 419 people liked it and 160 reblogs. So if you see, imagine you post your image, you would be getting 160 backlinks. And as you know, Tumblr is a very high authority website. So all you have to do is very simple, just click on the popular post on your keyword and then you just have to follow them. So just follow 20-30 people every day for a month. Once you have done that, so what would this do is you just follow these people. So in a day you can follow 20 to 50 people. So just follow around 20 to 50 people every day for a month. By doing this, you will be able to get at least 2000 followers on your account. Once this is there, then all you have to do is just click on Tumblr again, and then you can add this is the third step. It's the most easiest step. So what you have to do is, we remember that we made this website and we wrote an article. So again, what you have to do is just take this image and just click on photo, and then you can just upload your image over here. So I'm just gonna do that. So once the image is uploaded, you can just type the caption over here, check out this bonsai. So again, put your keyword over here. Okay, and then the last thing which you need to do is you can put the tags. So again, put your keyword over here, okay, bonsai, and there are a lot of other tags as well. And then just copy your link and just link it over here. So as you could see right now, we are just creating one backlink and then just post it. Once you post it, so you remember that we followed a lot of people from here. So you have a lot of followers. So imagine 2000 followers, and if they really like your content, they are going to like it and reshare it or reblog it. So again, if they start reblogging it, so let's say they start reblogging it, so you have followed all these people, and one of them would definitely, if it's a really good article, they would reblog it. And even in fact, they would reblog it on Tumblr, they would reblog it on other social media websites. So you're going to get backlink. And this is one viral technique, to get more traffic on your website and to rank on first page of Google. And in fact, if you want to learn how you could create a professional website which is SEO optimized, and also you want to learn more techniques on how you could go viral on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, don't forget to join my free course. The link is down below. And I think so that this is it for the video.